Well, I think the quarter is rightly being widely applauded. The call, I think, for Google tends to be less specific in terms of forward-looking guidance than some others. So we may not get much that really changes the narrative. But I think the narrative at Google is incredibly powerful. You have a company that is incredibly well positioned for what's working right now in internet. Nobody in large cap kind of internet media is more insulated from Apple's privacy moves than Google, which has been the big kind of fear. These guys are a player in viral video with YouTube. They're very prominent, obviously, in cloud computing. They've got some great kind of new bets in things like Waymo. For a company that trades right now at a 27 kind of PE against this year, with the type of growth we're looking at in the next year or two, they'd very quickly be at a market multiple, but with much better than market secular opportunity. So I expect the call to reinforce that, but not to really give us a lot that would be terrifically incremental.
Bren, how are these companies doing on the cost side of things and margins, as we have seen a more competitive labor market, right, and higher wage inflation across the board? Are they feeling it? Are they handling it? Because the cost can sometimes be a bugaboo when it comes to these mega caps.
Yeah, I mean, they're doing great. I mean, Amy Hood and Microsoft said margins are going higher. Alphabet's margins were good. Clearly, as the world turns back on and we start to do conferences and travel, you're going to have the expenses go back up. So I think, we probably hit the height of some of the big margin improvement because, we've all been stuck at home and using these technologies to help run our life. But that's going to change as, the virus subsides and we can throw these COVID tests away and give them to someone else. So, yeah, I think ultimately I feel like that the cost structure is going to get a little more bloated as it relates to some of the companies we cover. But that's more enterprise software than internet. I think Google's in a unique spot with their margin profile right now. So don't anticipate any big change.